guys. Okay, so here in lesson 13, we are going to be dealing with finding equivalent ratios given the total quantity. So in this example, we are going to be filling out this table. And you see that there's a couple blank areas. So we're going to have to figure out how to solve for those blanks. So the first thing, we're just going to start with reading the question. A group of 6 hikers are preparing for a 1-week trip. All of the group's supplies will be carried by the hikers in backpacks. The leader decides that each hiker will carry a backpack that is the same fraction of weight to all the other hikers' weights. This means that the heaviest hiker would carry the heaviest load. The table below shows the weight of each hiker and the weight of the backpack. Complete the table, find the missing amounts of weight by applying the same value of the ratio as the first 2 rows. So here, there's a couple different steps because we need to first go through and where there's like pounds and ounces, we're going to have to get those all to just be pounds. We can't really do much without converting those. So that's kind of the first step. And then after that, we're going to need to figure out what the ratio is. So we're going to have to compare or divide the hiker's weight we're going to divide the backpack weight by the hiker's weight to give the ratio of the backpack weight to the hiker weight. So we'll kind of first go through and talk about the conversion. So we have to remember that 16 ounces equals 1 pound. So OZ, LB, those are the abbreviations. And so we're going to have to, I'll just go ahead and show you like one example here. So if we did 152 pounds and 4 ounces, we're going to have to go 4 ounces over 16 ounces, and that will reduce down to 1/4. So that'd be 152 1/4 pounds. So I'm going to go ahead and pause the video and do all of those conversions really quick, and then we'll pick right back up. Okay, now you can see that I went through and did all those conversions. So these are now all in fractions of pounds. And now we're going to go ahead and try and figure out the ratio. So I'm going to start with, let me go ahead and try and write on this. Okay, I know I'm going to do the weight of the backpack divided by a hiker's weight. So that's going to look like 14 1/2 divided by 152 1/4. So I'm also going to want to go ahead and make those into incomplete fractions or making them not mixed numbers. So that's going to be 29/2 divided by 609/4. And then I'm going to go ahead and do the multiplication of that. So 29/2 times 4/609. That's going to become a 1. That's going to become a 2. So I am left with 58/609, which that reduces down to 2/21. You're going to want to go ahead and check that with the second one as well. So I'm going to pause and go ahead and do that, and then we'll compare.